Veto have just launched something brand new here in the UK, and this is the Evo range. Now, it's not just a selection of the tool bags that you can see in front of me, it's actually a brand new system, so let's find out a bit more about it. Now, the core concept behind this Evo system is modularity. Every single bag can be customised with different attachments so that it's the perfect setup for your job. Now, what does that look like? So you can see on the side here, we've got these Evo docks. Now, you can get these extra attachments that have a really strong magnet on the back that then slide into these docks on the side and clip on really, really securely. This one here is the MP3. This one is the MBL additional pouch as well. Now you can see just by me doing that there how strong these magnets are, because with a system like this, especially when they are magnetic, you might be a little bit concerned that it might be a bit flimsy, but it's not. And also the way, if I can show you here, the way that it slides in, it's really, really secure in there. So when it is locked on, that's not going anywhere unless you want it to. So that is the concept behind it, but it's not just these docks on the exterior that make these really good and adaptable bags. So if I open this one up, you can see inside, I'll go into a bit more depth on this as well. This is also a little section here called V-Swap. So every single Evo bag has this, whereby you can now actually swap out the interior of the bag as well. So quick demonstration, again, I'll go into a bit more depth in a minute. Out, and you can put in a different one if you have that as well. So a really great and adaptable bag storage system that's brand new, but let's take a look at it in a little bit more depth. So in front of me here, these are all the different attachments that you can get for your Evo bags. So if we start over here, this is the MP. We've got the MP1, MP2, MP3 that you've seen before, and this is the MPM. The difference between the MP all the way up to the MP3 is just size. So it'll gradually increase as we go up through the range. And then when you hit the MPM, it's just a slightly different configuration. On my left over here, I've got the MBS, MBM, and the MBL. Now these are just additional modular bags, so really practical to have on the side of each of your tool bags. You can see there's some additional storage space in there. And another little bonus of these bags is that you can see on the front here, these are areas that you can clip extra things to, such as your tape measure. So even more storage. Now down the front here, we've got a DH Evo. Now this is actually a drill holster that can clip onto the side of your bag. So really this range does have such an extensive coverage for all the different needs that you might have. So let's take a look at the bags themselves as well. So this is the bag range that comes with the new Evo system. So here we've got the Tech Pack, we've got the Tech Pack MC, we've got the Tech Pack MCT, and here the smallest of the lot is actually called the Double XL. So this range is everything you'd expect from Veto. Durable, practical, and really, really hard wearing. Loads of pockets on the inside, loads of pouches on the outside, and of course, when you then add your additional attachments, you're going to be able to get so much stuff in these bags. So difference between these three, not only is it the size, because obviously you're getting bigger to smaller, but actually this one on the end, the MCT, is actually a tool bag rather than a backpack. So worth knowing, depending on what your needs are. Onto the end over here, this is the TP Double XL. Now this one is slightly different, as you can see. It's actually an open tote tool bag as well, so really practical. Again, you'll know what your needs are, so just make sure you're taking a look at all these options and considering which one is going to be best for you. Now, all of these bags, including the Double XL on the end here, have 5-year warranties. So you know that these are bags that you're really going to be able to trust, because Veto themselves have put loads of faith in these bags. So I did briefly touch on what the V-Swap system is earlier, but let's just take another quick look. So all of these panels that we've got here that come inside the bags are actually also removable. You can see they've got the Velcro on the back here. Now they come with a tool and meter panel as standard, all the bags, and any additional ones you can buy separately. So for example, there's a laptop pouch one that you can get and fit it in. There's more utility panels, loads and loads of different options for you to take a look at. It just makes these bags even more adaptable, so you can really customize it for what your job is going to be, because you could even change it day by day. So a really handy little system to have in these brand new bags. So who's this new Veto Evo range for? Well, it's for anyone whose kit changes between jobs. The fact that you can set up dedicated pouches for each type of work and swap these in seconds makes it perfect for all you electricians, HVAC engineers, plumbers, and so many more as well. So that's just a really quick overview of this entire new system that's brand new to us here in the UK. If you're an electrician, if you're in HVAC, there's so many other roles as well that this system will be perfect for. You can check out the full range at its.co.uk.